I'm Katie Foster from Lufkin, Texas, and this is the Bayou Rifles Leg Match.
David Botton from California, and hoping to go distinguish the Bayou Rifles Leg Match today.
Hi, my name is Dan Harper. I'm from San Antonio, Texas.
Wayne Nunn, Bernie, Texas.
How many points you got?
None.
And
I'm optimistic.
Randy Scheibel, Pearland, Texas.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
I'm Bill Ayton, Kingwood, Texas.
Y'all care which relay?
And what about this beard, Bill?
My wife wants it and likes it, so but we may trim it soon.
You could stuff a sofa with that thing.
Keith Stevens from College Station. Know your zeros.
Dan Gilmer, Austin, Texas.
How many points you got?
10.
All right. Good luck, Dan.
Thank you.
Do we have to?
Yeah.
Dan Weeman.
Where you from, Dan?
Houston. Dave Olive from Baytown.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Daniel Stastny from Houston, Texas.
Got any points, Daniel?
I've got 8 points and working on more.
Darwin Hill from League City, Texas. I've got 8 points, working on more.
Good job, guys.
Roger, sleep off. Aaron, sleep off.
Roger, what's the most important thing about shooting a leg match?
Don't screw up.
Rick Crawford, Gilbert, Texas.
And Rick, what's the most important thing about shooting distinguished matches?
Let's see, not having the wheels fall off. Shoot your average. You'll be okay.
Good.
Good friend Carl Schultz here. My name is Nesran Jara from Austin, Texas.
And you're distinguished?
Yes, I am. I'm distinguished. Badge number 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that correct?
The most important thing shooting a leg match is 300 yards.
Shoot a half-minute ride. Look.
Y'all have any fun?
Oh, yeah. It's a lot of fun.
How'd you guys shoot?
Good. We're improving.
That away. Improving.
I can't stand it.
All right, Schultz, how you shooting?
I'm hanging in there.
Keep hanging. Looking over some real hardware. Here we are with Bill Ayton and his beard. How's your guy shooting?
Bennett Ford.
Hey, Bennett, how are you? Somebody shooting a real rifle?
You gotta know what it is.
Thank you.
Making him shoot first?
Yeah.
Not making him shoot first.
Had to shoot standing.
97, I think, was 3, something like that. So
good shooting.
Looks like the zeros are still okay.
Will begin when the target when your spring rapid fire setting for standing. 10 shots made at a time limit of 60 seconds. Shooters stand. With bolts remaining open, load. Is the line ready? The line is ready. Ready on the right. Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
He's done?
He's done.
Man, David legged out, came all the way from California just to shoot this match. We don't know why he showed up otherwise.
I'm not sure about that.
So before the results are official, though, we're going to give him his distinguished pin since he just earned it here in Houston, Texas, where the heck we are. So you're right. So we're all distinguished riflemen from pretty much the oldest to the newest. There you go. Congratulations.